Oh my! Whose tail is this? Kids, think. 3, 2, 1. A pig! Cute pig! Yay! Oh! What's that? What? Who could it be? Look closely. What do you see? Can you guess? It's a tail! A cow's fluffy tail! You got it right! Look! Another animal hiding! Who is this? Look at its tail. Long and silky. Do you know? A horse! Yay! Nay! Let's see who else is around. Who's in the basket? What could this be? Wait! A tail feathers!
Yes!
It's a chicken! Cluck, cluck! Did you guess right? Let's go! I see another tail. Who's hiding here? A tiny, fluffy, woolly tail! It's a sheep! Full of wool. Wow, such cute little tail! Who is hiding in the pond? Is it a quack quack? Yay! It's a duck! Aw, that's such an adorable tail. Who is this cutie? Yay! It's a dog! Woof, woof.